All right, here's one of the planes that they have, jets that they have, what used to be the Brunswick Naval Air Station, but it's no longer that. It's the Brunswick Executive Airport, and this is one of the planes that they've left. So for all my plane lovers, I can get right underneath here and let you see everything and stuff. And so here we go. Look at that. All this nice old stuff. Oh, commanding officer was Captain Will Fitzgerald. Ah, my father-in-law was John Fitzgerald. So here we are. Look at this. Okay, I'm just taking you all the way around. Look at that. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay. It says P3 Orion. Wow. All right. Okay. Here we are. There we go. Look at that. Very good. So for all those of you who are plane lovers, here you are. For those of you who are also antique car lovers and everything, I'll be going to some of the antique shows and everything. And any of the vehicles that are on display for free to watch and view, I will bring them to you. So go ahead and become my friend and be sure to sub me, and I will bring you whatever I see. But of course, I'll bring you what I can see for free. So if you want to come and see, you can, but mostly for production companies so they can come and see what we have to offer. All right. Whoa. All right. Never been inside. Like to see this. Look at that. How do you like that? Whoa. Look at that. There you go. Maybe some of you military guys understand all of this. Those of you who've flown for the military. There you go. I've worked on it. Some of you as mechanics and everything may also have seen plenty of this. But there you go. So join me on YouTube, and I'll bring you some more planes, some more anything that I see and get to view. I'll bring it to you so you can view too. Alrighty? Bye-bye now.